Okay, this is a Satellites machine. It's a model 643LCF bagger. It's got a pump transfer assembly, so that mechanism over there has a feed conveyor that you load the pumps into this hopper. As you can see, it's got a liftable lid. You can load your pumps in it and then close the lid for contamination purposes. It's sealed off all the way up, so it's an elevator. It turns on demand via level control in the bowl feeder. The bowl feeder is a vibratory centrifugal bowl feeder. It transfers the pump through the bowl and then down a track. This track delivers the pump to the bagger. There's a sensor here that maintains a certain level of pumps in that track, so there's always a head pressure. And we take the pump from the end of the track and load it into the ultrasonic sealer. At which point we fire the ultrasonic sealer on demand and it inserts it onto the package. Then the package gets made into a tube. There's a vertical seal here that heats the front of the bag, so it makes a tube, and then we fill it and seal it at the bottom. We're also monitoring the pump via these sensors. If we see that we've lost a pump, it will do a no pump, no fill. And it's got to miss a couple pumps. So if it misses a couple pumps in a row, it'll automatically stop. You see the red bottle on the floor? The red bottle on the floor is the fire suppression system. There's a nozzle in here. There's a sensor that looks for an alcohol fire. And then it's got a spray nozzle. So it's got, also has an emergency pull handle here in case there's a fire and it doesn't emit the CO2. You can hand pull it. This is an abort button. Over here on this table is the control box. That'll be mounted in a separate dry room. That's what all these cables up here for. All these cables are going to be running that fire suppression control system. On the side of the machine, this is the ultrasonic control box. So this is where we set the parameters for the ultrasonic sealer. So this is a Ducane. This is a Ducane ultrasonic sealer. This is where the pump actually gets inserted on the bag. Okay. We're going to be running a 11-inch long bag at 20 bags a minute with a gel ice material simulating the product that's going to be in the bag. And go ahead, Zach. Go around the back. This is the pump load station. Here's where the film gets put on the machine. And it runs through a series of rollers. is a printer. We are hole punching right here. Powered unwind, so we're maintaining tension on the film. This is the incoming air point. This is the incoming electrical point right here. So it's 240 volt, 3-phase, 30 amp circuit. You've got a disconnect. It's lock-outable, tag-outable on the rear of the machine. And we're good there.